2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is more than just an SUV. It's a rolling statement of success, power, and unmatched luxury. When you look at it, when you step inside it, when you hear the engine breathe, it becomes clear that this vehicle isn't built to blend in. It's built to stand out, to redefine the meaning of what luxury in motion feels like. From the very first glance, the GLS 600 captures attention with its commanding presence. The signature Maybach grille with its vertical chrome slats gleams like a crown jewel at the front, immediately letting you know this is no ordinary SUV. The body design flows with elegance and power, sleek lines, muscular proportions, and an aura that demands respect. The subtle Maybach badging and exclusive two-tone paint options only elevate its stature, giving it the look of a luxury yacht gliding on land. But beauty is not just skin deep. The Maybach GLS 600 carries a bold spirit under its hood. Powering this luxury giant is a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid EQ boost system. Together, they deliver a commanding 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. But it doesn't stop there. The EQ boost adds an extra surge when you need it, making every acceleration smooth yet exhilarating. Despite its size and elegance, the GLS 600 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a luxury rocket on wheels. Mercedes pairs this immense power with an intelligent 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive. The result? Seamless gear changes, exceptional grip, and confidence on every surface. Whether you're cruising down the highway, rolling through the city, or gliding on mountain roads. The ride is further perfected by the airmatic suspension with E-active body control, which reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time, ensuring passengers feel nothing but pure comfort. It's not driving, it's floating. Step inside, and the true essence of Maybach reveals itself. The cabin is a sanctuary of craftsmanship, technology, and indulgence. Every detail is designed to cocoon you in comfort, from the finest Napa leather upholstery to the handcrafted wood trims that surround you like the interior of a private jet. The soft closed doors greet you with elegance, and once you're inside, the world outside simply fades away. The rear cabin is where the Maybach GLS 600 truly outshines every competitor. Designed with the passenger in mind, it offers reclining executive seats with massage, ventilation, and heating functions. With just a touch of a button, your seat transforms into a lounge chair, extending a calf rest while the backrest reclines. You don't just sit in the Maybach GLS, you rest, you relax, you travel in complete serenity. Adding to this experience is the MBUX rear tablet, giving rear passengers full control over climate, entertainment, seat adjustments, and even ambient lighting. And speaking of lighting, the 64-color ambient lighting system allows you to personalize the cabin's mood, whether you want a calming blue, a warm golden glow, or a vibrant neon for night drives. For the audiophiles, the Maybach GLS 600 comes equipped with the Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system, turning the cabin into a private concert hall. Every note, every beat, every whisper of sound is delivered with stunning clarity. Whether it's classical music, jazz, or a powerful bass-heavy track, the sound system immerses you completely. But luxury is not just about comfort, it's also about technology. The GLS 600 comes with dual 12.3-inch digital displays, combining a fully digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution infotainment system. MBUX, Mercedes' AI-powered assistant, responds to your voice commands instantly. Just say, "Hey Mercedes," and the car listens, adjusting climate, finding destinations, playing music, or even telling you the weather forecast. Safety, of course, is never compromised. The GLS 600 is equipped with advanced driver assistance features like active distance assist, active steering assist, automatic emergency braking, and evasive steering assist. These systems don't just protect you, they anticipate and prevent danger, ensuring that every journey is as safe as it is luxurious. The Maybach GLS 600 isn't just built for the driver, it's built for those who demand the absolute best, whether they're behind the wheel or enjoying the rear seat experience. It is the choice of leaders, innovators, celebrities, and individuals who want the world to know they've arrived. What makes the 2026 model stand out even more is the refinement in details. Mercedes has enhanced the suspension for even smoother rides, updated the Maybach exclusive trim options with richer finishes, and introduced more advanced connectivity features for passengers who want to stay productive on the go. This is not just a refresh, it's a bold statement that luxury has evolved. In today's world, luxury vehicles are about more than performance and comfort. They are about presence, prestige, and status. The GLS 600 is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle, a reflection of who you are and what you've achieved. And yet, beneath all this extravagance, the Maybach GLS 600 still carries the DNA of Mercedes-Benz. Engineering precision, safety, innovation, and timeless design. It's an SUV that doesn't compromise. One that gives you everything in one package: power, beauty, comfort, and the ultimate exclusivity of Maybach. So, when you see a 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 glide past you on the road, know that it's more than a car, it's a statement. A statement that luxury is alive, stronger than ever, and waiting for those bold enough to embrace it. The 2026 GLS 600 is not just about reaching your destination, it's about redefining the journey itself,